Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pasta salad black style, updated. Boil pasta until al dente, then rinse under cold water to stop cooking and cool quickly. Toss drained pasta with a small amount of olive oil to prevent sticking while you prep the rest of the ingredients. Prepare black elements like squid ink, black olives, or roasted eggplant, and chop fresh vegetables so everything is ready to combine. Gather your ingredients in advance to streamline the process and keep flavors balanced. Measure pasta, oil, acid, salt, and any briny ingredients so nothing overpowers the dish. Consider firm vegetables for texture and softer, roasted items for richness. Keep herbs and citrus separate until the end to maintain bright flavor, then fold them in gently with the dressing so the salad stays vibrant and visually striking. If you are enjoying this recipe, please subscribe and like to help me keep sharing simple cooking ideas. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is perfect for setting timers, streaming playlists, or asking recipe questions while your hands are busy with chopping. It brightens the kitchen mood and saves time. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if it sounds useful, grab one for your kitchen. Now let's get back to the video. Make the dressing in a bowl and taste as you go to achieve the right balance of savory, acidic, and slightly sweet notes. Start with a ratio of 3 parts oil to 1 part vinegar, then adjust with mustard or honey and salt. Mix in your black colorant sparingly, and combine the pasta and chopped ingredients gently so the dressing coats everything evenly without crushing delicate herbs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.